A large number of insurance products are available in the market. We will discuss a few of them here. First is health insurance. Medical costs are rising year on year. As a matter of fact, inflation in medical costs is higher than inflation in food and other articles. It can be very difficult for an individual to arrange funds at the 11th hour in case of medical emergency. One way to deal with health related or medical emergencies is by taking health insurance. A health insurance policy is an insurance contract between the insurer and the insured, under which the insurer agrees to pay the insured for all the medical expenses incurred by him or her due to accidents, illness, or injury. The insurance company provides the facility of cashless treatment or will reimburse the amount to the insured as per bills. In India, presently the health insurance exists primarily in the form of medical policy offered to an individual or to any group or association or corporate body. Next is motor vehicle insurance. Motor vehicle insurance falls under the classification of general insurance. This insurance is becoming very popular and its importance is increasing day by day. As the name suggests, it is an insurance that is related to all types of motor vehicles, that is, motorcycles, cars, jeeps, trucks, other commercial vehicles, etc. There are two types of motor insurance policies in India. One is third party and the other is comprehensive. This is motor third party insurance which is compulsory in India. The main objective of third party insurance is to provide compensation to the third party for any death or bodily injury caused by the use of your motor vehicle. Comprehensive motor insurance policy covers both third party liabilities and damages to your vehicle as well. Third is burglary insurance. A burglary at a home, office, or shop can result in huge financial loss. Burglary insurance policy is an insurance policy which covers loss or damage caused to your property and its contents due to theft, larceny, burglary, house breaking, etc. The actual loss is compensated. Burglary means to break into and enter a building with the intent to commit a crime, often theft. In order to substantiate burglary claims, insurers will require proof of ownership of the stolen items, a police report, and proof that force was used to enter the premises. Next, insurable interest must exist at the time of loss, but not necessarily at the time when the policy was taken. The principle of causa proxima will also apply to burglary insurance. The insurance company will be liable to pay only when that particular or nearest cause that is covered by the policy. For example, if a loss is caused by several reasons, then the nearest cause of loss will be considered. Next insurance we are discussing is cattle insurance. Cattle insurance protects the rural people from financial loss incurred due to the death of their cattle like bulls, buffaloes, and cows. This insurance provides covers for the death of cattle due to accident, snake bites, poisoning, earthquake, disease, surgical operation, etc. Exclusions of cattle insurance are malicious act, accident or disease contracted prior to commencement of risk, transit by air or sea, intentional slaughter, theft or clandestine sales, missing of insured animals, war and allied perils, nuclear exclusion clause. Now, next is crop insurance. A contract of crop insurance is a contract to provide a measure of financial support to farmers in the event of a crop failure due to drought or flood. This insurance covers loss or damages relating to the production of rice, wheat, millets, oilseeds, and pulses, etc. Next is sports insurance. This policy provides a comprehensive cover to amateur sportsmen covering their sporting equipment, personal effects, legal liability, and personal accident risks. If desired, the cover can also be made available in respect of the named member of the insured's family residing with him. This cover is not available to professional sportsmen. This cover is available in respect of any one or more of the following sports, that is angling, badminton, cricket, golf, lawn tennis, squash, use of sporting guns. Now the question arises, what is the meaning of amateur? Amateur is a person who does something for enjoyment and not for money. Now the seventh insurance we are discussing is Amartya Sen Shiksha Yojana. This policy offered by general insurance company secures the education of dependent children. If the insured parent or legal guardian sustains bodily injury due to accident, and if such injury shall within 12 months calendar months of its occurrence be the sole and direct cause of his or her death or permanent total disablement, the insurer shall indemnify the insured student in respect of all covered expenses to be incurred from the date of occurrence of such accident till the expiry date of the policy or completion of the duration of the covered course, whichever occurs first, and such indemnity shall not exceed the sum insured as stated in the policy schedule. The covered expenses are cost of tuition fees, hostel rent, cost of books, examination fees, cost of compulsory uniform, etc. The policy covers only two student children in respect of one particular insured parent or legal guardian. The insured student should be studying in any registered educational institution affiliated to any state board, council, university, or any other government statutory authority. Now, we will also understand who is Amartya Sen. Amartya Kumar Sen is an Indian economist and philosopher who, since 1972, has taught and worked in UK and USA. He was awarded the Nobel Memorial Prize in Economic Sciences in 1998 and Bharat Ratna in 1999 for his work in welfare economics. Now, next is Rajeshwari Mahila Kalyan Bima Yojana. This policy provides relief to the family members of the insured woman in case of their death or disablement arising due to all kinds of accidents and or death and or disablement arising out of problems incidental to women only. All sections of women in the age group of 10 to 75 years, irrespective of their income, vocation, or occupation, can be covered in this policy. Sum insured in the case of death or permanent total disablement is rupees 25,000, and sum insured in case of loss of one limb or eye is 12,500. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.